can download it from the Google Play Store. Come tap on it, and then come right here to new project, create a new project, then come select any video you want to create. Subtitles, you come to text right here down, text, and then you come to auto caption right here down, tap on it, and then you just tap start. And it's creating auto caption. Guys, as you see right here down, these are the subtitles have been created successfully. So I'll start the video. Today I'm going to show you. As you see, now to edit them, you will come to tap on it, and then you come to style right here. After that, you select any style or font you want, you like. Yeah, you see. Hello guys, today I'm going to show you the fastest 2D PC successfully created the subtitles successfully, as you see. So guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you.